Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential task, setting your profile picture on Gmail using your PC. With this recent update, personalizing your Gmail account has never been easier. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to gmail.com. This is where all the action begins. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen, and you'll see your current profile picture, or a placeholder if you haven't set one yet. Click on that picture to proceed. Next, you'll want to select Manage Your Google Account. This will open up a new tab that gives you access to all your account settings. It's a straightforward process, so don't worry. In the new tab, navigate to the Personal Information section. This is where you can edit various details about your account, including your profile picture. Now, click on your current picture or the placeholder image. This action will prompt you to add a new profile picture. Click on Add Profile Picture to move forward. Here's where the fun begins. Choose the picture you want to use. You can either upload a new one from your computer or select an existing photo from your Google Photos if you have that set up. Once you've made your selection, it's time to confirm your choice. Finally, review your selection and click Confirm. Your new profile picture will be saved, and it'll be visible to anyone who interacts with your Gmail account. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Gmail profile picture. Enjoy your refreshed look. And remember, personalizing your account can make a big difference in how you connect with others. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.